Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, first of all, can we just talk about how bad my freaking temper is? Which is fucking alright. So today I'm back with another Instagram editing, photo editing tips video. This one I feel like is going to be super quick, I think, because it's something very specific that you guys just keep asking me for, and it's a little bit harder to explain in a text when you message me. So I thought, let's just get this video out there so I can just direct you to this video and you can know how to do it. So it is how to do this. Yellow text on your pictures or videos or whatever you want to put it on. I do this a lot on my stories at the moment, and you guys have just been loving it. Like, I cannot tell you how many questions I get of people asking how to do this yellow text. It's crazy. But yeah, it does look really cool, so I'm not surprised that so many people. So I put it on like this, you can see, or I also posted a picture with it on, this picture right here. So I'm just going to show you. There's two apps that I do this on. First one, which I use most, and you guys will have this app hopefully if you've watched my other how I edit Insta stories videos and stuff, is the app InShot. So you open InShot, my phone's here hopefully. So let's just open. So you can do this with videos or photos, like whichever works. Obviously at the moment I'm on video, but you can just go to photo and do it on a photo. I'll show you on a video, but it really makes no difference to be honest. But okay, so if I open up this video, let's just make it to Insta Story. This will be for Insta Stories I'll do first. So I first of all, I just put my filter on it, which I like, and I usually do a bit of the convex as well. And then, okay, so to do the text, so this is the video, it's obviously just moving, let's turn the sound off. Okay, so to do the text, all you do is you press this T button here, type what you want to type. Mine's going to come up as the yellow text already because obviously it's the one I use most. And what is amazing about this app is it makes it easy for you to do that and keep your feed and stuff cohesive, because it keeps it the same from when you last did it. So let's put in supermarket sweep. So you can see it's already in the right text what I use for this, but I'll show you what it is. So once you've typed, if you're doing this for the first time, it's just going to come up in standard text. If you click on the A's, it's going to give you fonts. So these are all the fonts. So the font for this text is System. That's the one I use. It's called System. It does come with the app, although I do have the full version of the app. It's not a font I've like uploaded, it is on the app. So System, and then you want to go to the color wheel, and here you've got options. You've got text, border, shadow, label, and opacity. These basically obviously self-explanatory. So text, I have it, as you can see, on yellow. So if I change that to black, red, whatever, so this yellow one is what I have it on, yellow. Then if you go to border, I have it obviously on black, but you could make this like red, whatever you want. Obviously for this look, it's all about that kind of black border, so black. And then you can see I have it down at 46%, because if you turn it up, it's going to be like stronger and blacker, and if you turn it all the way down, then it's not there. So I have mine at 46. It just stays at 46. So that is it. That is how easy it is to do this, guys. You can obviously make it, move it around. You can make it big or small. I'll have it maybe like that. It is supermarket sweep, right? Sweep. Yeah. You can also, which sometimes I do if I feel like the text doesn't stand out enough, then you can go to the label and put a black border on it, which I actually do think looks really cool as well. So it gives you this whole black like tab almost around it. So you can do that, but I don't think this one needs it. So if we just go to label again and then turn that off. So that is it. So that is how easy it is to do on here. Just click the tick and then there is your text on your video. So it looks really sick. So let's save that. And then I'll just show you the same for a photo. Okay, so if I just put in a photo, so depending on what you're using this for, whether it be Insta Stories or Instagram, if you're doing it for Instagram, obviously make it whatever size you want, whether it's square or full Instagram, which is what I use, which is this one here, 4.5. So save. And then again, we would just go to text. It's still going to be the same because obviously it's saved. Let's put embrace your magnet. Some of you are thinking, what? Okay, so you would just put that over it like that. That big? Yeah. And then you just save it and it would save it as a photo. Okay, so this is the first way you can do it, but you can also do it on PicsArt, which is this one here. PicsArt is great for anything creative. Like, it really is honestly so good. So let's go into photos. Okay, let's just do this one because it's here. So you just bring that one up. My eyebrows look pretty good in that. And then we'd go to text. Let's do I see you. I see you. Oh, I've got my eyes on you. I see you. I see you. Done. So click done, and then that's it. Okay, then you want to do your font. So go to font. And I click that, and the one I use is this one. I don't know what you call that. And then I use, I mean, to be honest, any of these are good. But let's go with this one. And then we go to color, and then we go to yellow, this one. And then you want to go to stroke, black, and you can see this is the border. So it's exactly the same as the other one, it's just called something different. So I usually put that around 40, like that. Then you can, as the other one, I didn't actually show the opacity on the other one because I don't really use it, but you can obviously make it less obvious or solid or more like see-through. I tend to keep mine around the same. So I would maybe put this like down here, or should I put it up there? Should I put it there? But much smaller. Like that, for example. So that's how you do it on PicsArt. So whichever app you already have, you can use it on. I'm pretty sure though PicsArt, is it free? I don't think it is actually. But yeah, either way, that is how you do it. Save the photo, save, and that's good to go. So then you can see the ones we just did. So we have this video that says supermarket sweep. Obviously you would do this for the photo as well if you wanted. Then we have this one, embrace your magnet. I don't know where that came from. And then this one, I see you. So that is how easy it is to do the yellow font, guys. Super easy, does make the photos look really cool and like stand out and just different, you know, it gives your photo a little something extra. You guys know I always talk about that type of thing, but it's good to just give your photos something, and sometimes it can be a slightly boring photo, but if you put something on it, like the video, which I will leave in the eye, about making boring photos cool by adding grain, by adding like effects. I did a video on that like a couple of videos back, so I'll leave that in the eye for you so you can go and watch that as well. They are all listed in my Instagram playlist of how I edit stuff though, so you can just watch them all in there. But I hope you liked this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.